Yeah, welcome again, our viewers. In today's lesson, we are going to cover automotive maintenance. As you are aware, automotive is now wide and we cannot do without it in our daily life. We need it. You can count them from motorcycles, cars, construction machineries, vehicles, farm equipment, all of them in our life. They are so beneficial, we cannot do without them. So to keep these machines in better working conditions, they need maintenance. That's why we thought it is important for us to cover this training to learn how to do maintenance so that we can prolong the lifespan of these machines. Automotive periodic maintenance for machines like excavator, vehicles, generators, crane, concrete pumps, etc. What is periodic maintenance? Periodic maintenance, we will focus on how proper maintenance is. Proper maintenance to ensure safe, efficient, and reliable machine operations on construction sites and on road. Our training objectives. By the end of this training, you will understand what periodic maintenance is, why it is critical for vehicles, construction, and agricultural machines, stroke equipment, service intervals, the maintenance tasks required at different intervals, important safety procedures during maintenance, and how to keep accurate maintenance records. What is periodic maintenance? Periodic maintenance refers to planned and scheduled servicing of machines. It is performed at regular intervals such as daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly, or after every 8 hours, 50 hours, 250 hours, 500 hours, 1000 hours, 2000 hours, or in terms of mileage. This approach helps to keep vehicles, construction, and agriculture machines safe, reliable, and operating at the peak efficiency. As you can see on the screen, here it is showing you at the intervals we are doing service. We have 10 hours, we have 50 hours, we have 250 hours. Daily maintenance. In daily maintenance, we will follow our checklist. Daily maintenance should be carried out by the operator stroke driver before or after work. So it is important for operator or driver to always mark the checklist, check and do the daily maintenance. For example, for machines like excavator, this includes checking engine oil, hydraulic oils, fuel and coolants, leaks, etc. Inspecting hoses, pins, buckets, and trucks, and monitoring gauges, warning lights, and unusual noises. For machines like concrete pumps, daily checks includes engine oil, hydraulic oil, fuel, coolant, leaks, etc. Inspection of pipeline, hoppers, emergency switches, greasing, water box, remote control, and mixer blades. Cleaning the hopper and pipeline after every pour, and checking outrigger and safety locks. For machines like asphalt paver, daily checks include hydraulic oil level, engine oil, fuel, coolant, leaks, etc. You will also inspect material hopper, augers, conveyors, operator controls, emergency switch, greasing, screed heating, etc. And it's recommended also to clean machine after every paving and checking screed and safety locks. For machines like cold milling and recycling machines, daily checks include hydraulic oil level, engine oil, fuel, coolant, leaks, water, cutting peaks, etc. You will also inspect drum unit, conveyor, operator controls, emergency switches, greasing, water system, bitumen system, etc. You will also have to clean machine after every milling/recycling task and check drum unit and safety locks. For machines like vehicles, daily checks include hydraulic oil, engine oils, brake oils, steering oil, fuel, coolant, leaks, tire pressures, air pressures, etc. You'll also inspect warning lights and working lights, horns, greasing, and many others. You are also supposed to clean machine after every day and check for any abnormalities. For machines like generators, daily checks includes levels for engine oil, fuel, coolant, leaks, wire connections. You will also inspect warning lights and working lights, voltage and current, etc. Always keep generator clean, dry, and check for any abnormalities in sound and current/voltage fluctuation. For machines like farm tractors, daily checks include hydraulic oil level, engine oil, fuel, coolant, leaks, attachments, etc. Inspect all attachments, e.g. plowing discs, tillers, sprinklers, etc. Grease all attachments, clean machine after every day and check safety locks. For lifting machines like cranes, daily checks include hydraulic oil level, engine oil, brake oil, steering oil, fuel, coolant, leaks, tires pressures, air pressures, wire ropes, wire drum, hooks and latches, belts and chain, etc. Inspection of warning light and working lights, horn, greasing, etc. Cleaning machine after every day and checking for any abnormalities. Weekly maintenance. Weekly maintenance focuses on lubrication and detailed inspection. For machines like excavator, grease all pins, bushing, and the sling bearings, and inspect fan belts, air filters, wirings, and sensors. For machines like concrete pumps, grease pump and grease pumps and all other moving parts, inspect wear plates, cutting rings, and pistons, and test all safety and emergency systems. Monthly maintenance. Monthly maintenance requires more technical inspection, For example, excavator maintenance may include changing engine oil if due, checking hydraulic filter, inspecting the swing motor, and examine undercarriage components for wear. For concrete pumps, replace or clean hydraulic and air filters, inspect main hydraulic pumps, pipeline thickness, check boom pins for wear or loosen. Quarterly stroke semi-annual maintenance. At longer intervals, preventive replacement becomes essential. For example, for excavator, replace fuel, oil, and hydraulic filters. Inspect the cooling system, engine mountings, and structural welding. For machines like concrete pumps, replace worn wear plates and cutting rings. Pressure test, pipeline inspection of boom, cylinders and seals, and calibration of sensors and control systems. Annual maintenance. In annual maintenance is a complete machine health check. This includes full inspection of all systems, replacement of worn component, overhaul of hydraulic and pumping systems, load testing under working conditions, and updating maintenance record. Safety during maintenance. Safety must always come first during maintenance. Always shut down and isolate the machine. Release hydraulic pressure. Lock out controls. Wear proper PPE and strictly follow the manufacturer's service manual. This is so important because different manufacturers, different machines have different safety. So it is important for you to stick to the service manual of the machine you are maintaining. Maintenance record. Accurate maintenance records are essential. Record should include the service date, work performed, parts replaced, technician name, and the next service schedule. Good record help prevent mismaintenance and unexpected breakdowns. In summary, periodic maintenance is an investment, not an expense. Daily and weekly checks prevent small issues from becoming major failures, and accurate record ensures proper planning and reduced downtime. Keep your fleet of vehicles and machinery safe, reliable, and productive. If you have questions, discuss them with your supervisor. For more training content like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. We meet in the next lesson. Thank you.